Alright, so this is the Thai chili. I've been waiting for a high heat rush for about a week. This is not going to be good. For everyone who actually eats hot peppers, good for you. I'm not that one. I'm just being a tough guy right now, and I'm really excited. A lot of life changes, little reset. So let's just do it. Are we gonna do a little bite or a big bite? It was at this moment I knew I messed up. As I'm about to nod, I realize that's hot. It is hot. Wow. And boy, do I ever regret this decision. I can't drink anything. 5-minute timer. Hey Siri, set a timer 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh. Woo. This is such a small pepper. This pepper means nothing to the super hotters. It means nothing to like anybody who eats hots. Basically, what I was trying to say is this is just a chili pepper. No one finds this really hot if you are a hot pepper person. But the point of this video, and any video I do, is I am not a hot pepper person as much as I love them. So wish me luck on the Ring of Fire. I'm gonna go 5 minutes without nothing. Minutes. Holy shit. Alright, yeah, not bad. I had 2 minutes left, halfway. Everything's okay. Thanks again for watching. I know it's not too crazy. I'm just trying to get out of my shell and do some more videos. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Keep it spicy.